When you write test cases for your product, it's not just about having good test cases, but also about making sure the results of your test runs are readily available to anyone in the form of a nicely formatted report. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of generating reports for your tests and the tools that you can use to integrate reporting into your test framework. First, let's talk about why it's important to integrate reporting tools and libraries in your tests. Integrating test frameworks with reporting tools automates the generation of detailed test reports, providing real time feedback on test results. This enables teams to quickly identify and address failures, track bug fixes, and assess quality metrics, leading to more efficient debugging and validation processes. Test report integration enhances visibility across the development cycle by aggregating test results into comprehensive dashboards. This supports better decision making by allowing stakeholders to view trends, perform in depth analyses, and make informed decisions about software releases based on empirical data. Let's discuss best practices that you need to follow to effectively integrate reporting tools. Choosing the right reporting tools is crucial for different testing scopes. For unit testing, JUnit, NUnit, and PyTest provide essential reporting features that can produce XML or HTML summaries. For integration and end-to-end testing, tools like Selenium, Cypress, and TestCafe offer detailed reporting capabilities for browser-based tests. Once you've chosen the right tool for your use case, integrating reporting tools involves installing and configuring those tools to specify the preferred formats and output destinations for reports. You may want your reports in the form of HTML. Maybe you want the results stored in a database. Your setup should enable the automatic generation of reports when tests are run, streamlining the process of gathering test results. Automating report generation is very useful within a continuous integration pipeline. Using tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions, you can enhance the efficiency of your entire workflow. This automation includes setting up notifications based on the test outcomes to ensure that teams are promptly informed about issues. Advanced reporting tools such as Allure reports or Extent reports provide deeper insights through trend analysis and rich visualizations. These features help in tracking the effectiveness of tests over time, making the reports more comprehensive and informative. And finally, it's best to regularly review and customize reports to emphasize the most relevant information for stakeholders. There are two frameworks that are very popular for reporting. The first is Extent Reports, which is an open source reporting library designed for test automation, providing rich and interactive detailed reports on test executions. Extent supports various programming languages and testing frameworks, and it offers features like logs, screenshots, and graphs to help developers and testers quickly understand test outcomes. Another popular and fully featured reporting library is Allure. Allure Reports is a flexible, lightweight, multi language test report tool that provides concise visualization of test executions. It integrates with popular testing frameworks across different programming languages, and it emphasizes providing insightful test analytics. In this learning path, we'll work with Allure reports, and we'll use Allure to see detailed test execution details, history, environment information, attachments, and so on and so forth. Let's quickly discuss some of the features of Allure reports. Allure reports is a versatile reporting tool that works with various programming languages and testing frameworks, offering a unified reporting solution for diverse testing environments. Allure reports provide comprehensive test execution details, including test history, step by step execution logs, environment information, and allows for attachments like screenshots and logs for an in depth analysis of your tests. Allure reports offer interactive and visual reporting. The reports generated are interactive and visually appealing, featuring graphs, timelines, and categorizations that help quickly identify trends, patterns, and areas needing attention. And finally, Allure can be easily integrated into CI/CD pipelines, enhancing automation processes. It supports customization to meet specific project requirements, improving the clarity and utility of the reports for teams. Here is a big picture overview of how you actually create a test report using Allure. There are many components here and it seems like a lot is going on, but overall things are fairly simple and straightforward. Let's break this down and see. You run your tests within a test framework, and the Allure adapter integrates with multiple test frameworks to generate reports. Within your project, you need to add Allure as a dependency, and if you're using Maven, you'll use the Maven Surefire plugin to run your tests, and you'll integrate your Allure reports right into your test run. Now, Allure automatically generates a bunch of different files within the Allure results folder. You'll of course have your test results stored in a different directory, but the Allure results folder will contain a bunch of additional files containing information about the current test run. The files in Allure results are JSON files which will give you all of your test execution information. Once you've generated the test report files in the Allure results folder, you can then use the Allure serve command to generate a temporary report that you can view in your browser. If you want a more permanent report, one that you can share with others, you'll use the Allure generate command to generate a permanent report, which you can then share within your team.